Hi guys, today I am telling you future perfect tense. Helping verb shall have or will have. In perfect tense, we have to use third form of verb. Remember this thing. Now the affirmative sentences of future perfect structure is subject plus shall have, will have plus third form of verb plus object. Sentences now I shall have gone to picnic. In this sentence, I is the subject. With I, we have to use shall have. Then gone is third form of verb. Picnic, this is object. Second sentence, we shall have eaten apples. Here we is the subject. With we have to use helping verb shall have. Eaten is third form of verb. Apples object. Third sentence, she will have drunk water. She is subject. With she we have to use will have. Then drunk is the third form of verb. Water is object. Now fourth one, Rita will have washed her face. In this sentence, Rita is subject. With Rita we have to use the helping verb will have. Washed is verb third form. Her face object. Now I will tell you negative sentences of future perfect. Negative means in such type of sentences we will use not also. Now structure subject shall will not have third form of verb object. Sentences now we shall not have come to your home. In this sentence we is subject. With we have to use shall. Then not, then have, come is third form of verb, object your home. One thing remember that use not between of shall and have means use not between of helping verb shall and have. Second, now first sentence we shall not have come to your home. Now second sentence they will not have bought X. There they is subject. With they will, then not, then have. Bought is the third form of the verb buy. X, this is object. Third sentence, Ramesh will not have drawn a picture. Here Ramesh is the subject. With Ramesh we will use will, then not. Have, drawn is the third form of verb. A picture is object. It will not have rained. Here it is subject. With it will, then not. Have rained. This is the third form of verb. Now interrogative sentences. Interrogative means in which we ask a question. Structure shall will at first. Always remember we have to use the helping verb first in the interrogative sentence. Shall will, then subject, have, third form of verb, object. Sentence says, shall I have ignored you? Here, at first shall, then we will use the subject I because we know shall is only used with I and we. Then have, ignored third form of verb, you is object. Second sentence, will he have scolded me? Here at first will, then subject, he is the subject, have scolded, this is third form of verb, me is object. Third sentence, will Rahul have abused the beggar? Here at first will, then subject Rahul, have abused third form of verb, the beggar is object. Next sentence, will you have left this city? Here at first will, you is subject, then have, left is the third form of verb, this city is object. Now at last I will tell you interrogative plus negative sentences of future perfect. Interrogative plus negative. What is the meaning? Interrogative means in which we ask a question. Negative means not also. So in short we can say interrogative plus negative means negative questions. Structure shall will at first, then subject, then not, have, third form of verb, then object. Now sentences. At first will, you. At first I have taken will, then subject you. Not, have, insulted is a third form of verb, insult. Object, me is object. Now the second sentence, shall I not have kicked the ball? Here at first shall, then I told you already if we will use shall at first, we have to use the subject I or we. So I use here I. Shall I not have kicked third form of verb kick the ball, this is object. Third sentence, will he not have written a poem? At first will, then subject he, not, have, written is the third form of verb write, a poem is object. Now the next one sentence is, shall we not have praised you? At first shall, I told you if we will use shall, As a subject, we should use we or I. Here I used we. Shall we, then not, have. Praised is the third form of verb praise. You is object. Now with it we have completed future perfect tense. Next day I will tell you future perfect continuous.